If you are in the C-suite, your biggest competitive advantage isn't strategy, it's communication. I said it. It's very important for me to declare it like that because otherwise people just don't listen. Let me ask you a question. Are you a CXO? I mean, a CEO, a COO, CFO, CHRO, CTO, or someone leading senior teams? Are you? Let me ask you another question. Do your meetings often end with, let's revisit this next week, we'll circle back to this, or let's take this offline, और फिर nothing happens? या फिर आप नोटिस करते हैं कि मीटिंग में लोग आपसे अग्री तो कर देते हैं लेकिन एग्जीक्यूशन वीक होता है, या फिर कभी ऐसा लगता है कि आपके आइडियाज टेक्निकली ब्रिलियंट होते हैं, लोग sort of emotionally buy in नहीं करते हैं. Buy in, I mean they do not fall for it. और कभी कभी आप खुद भी अपनी बात हाफ वे विड्रॉ कर लेते हैं सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि रूम का मूड अलग लग रहा था, है ना? अगर इनमें से एक भी चीज आपको फेमिलियर लगी तो प्रॉब्लम स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं हो सकती ना. दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग. प्रॉब्लम कम्युनिकेशन, द वे योर कम्युनिकेशन इज बिल्ट, कम्युनिकेशन आर्किटेक्चर हो सकता है. See, at the executive level, people are rarely promoted because they speak English well. They are promoted because they create clarity. They reduce friction. They align people. They influence decisions. That's executive communication, not simply fluent communication. See, the problem is most senior leaders, they still use phrases that have become corporate wallpapers, I swear. Everyone has heard them. Nobody feels inspired by them. Facts. So it's time to kind of upgrade those things, and I'm going to probably just take a dip in it, not completely dive into it. It's a very short video. I want you to basically just go through the video, listen to the phrases, replace with the better versions that I'm giving to you. And if you find this video useful for you, for your workplace conversations, communication, you need to let me know in the comment section so that we can probably expand this segment a little more for all my viewers out there. So number one, let's circle back. Everyone knows this usually means we're avoiding the decision, right? अभी नहीं कुछ समझ में आ रहा है तो avoid करते हैं, बाद में बैठ जाएंगे. Instead of this, you can say we're missing one critical input. Let's make a decision by Thursday at 4 p.m. Specificity is the factor we just brought in. That is what is going to create trust. We're sitting on Thursday, we're finally taking a decision at 4 p.m. on Thursday. Simple. You need to create trust. Okay. Number two, it's very common when I've heard people saying, let's think outside the box. Like, I am tired. I want to close myself in that box and throw it away myself because it's overused. It's meaningless. There is literally nobody who's thinking outside the box because now the box is called ChatGPT or Claude. Instead of this, you can say something that feels more like you. You can say, let's challenge the assumptions we're currently making. Right? Simple. That's what you basically wanted. The way things were happening, you didn't want it to happen like that, correct? So elite leaders, they don't ask for creativity. They ask for assumptions to be questioned. Anything which has probably not been looked at, probably overlooked, anything. Okay? The third thing, we need better collaboration. It's too vague. Instead of that, you can say, what information isn't reaching the right people early enough? I mean, अगर collaboration का issue है, तो better collaboration बोल दिया, अब किसको जिम्मेदारी डालोगे आप? आपको figure out ये करना है कि what is that piece of information जो सही लोगों को सही time पर नहीं पहुंच रही है. At least तब आपको clarity मिल जाएगी. And this way, you have defined the problem. The next one is, जब भी मीटिंग डिस्कशन खत्म हो रहा होता है, पीपल दे टेंड टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चंस. आप बताइए, अगर आपके बराबरी के लोग आपके बड़े क्लोज सर्कल के बैठे हैं तब तो वो सवाल पूछ लेते हैं. अदरवाइज जनरली साइलेंस ऑलवेज. इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस, कैन यू से समथिंग लाइक व्हाट कंसर्न्स हैवंट वी डिस्कस्ड येट? It feels like a little more open, a little more casual, a little not boss-like. Because the good bosses, they're not performative about it. उनको drama करके नहीं दिखाना है that I'm the boss. I speak like this. You don't have a question. You don't have the guts to ask me questions. Don't come to me. these kind of bosses, they belong to the 70s. Send them back. I don't want them here. You can say something like, if you had to disagree with this plan, what would your strongest argument be? See, more open. That kind of invites thinking. And it's not forcing people to be polite. I mean, okay, be polite, be nice about it, but please don't kill yourselves because you're scared of the boss, right? Anyway, the next one, very common, you'd agree with me. We need to move faster. We need to move faster. Like, what are we, slaves? वो एक hunter लेके कोई घूम रहा है वहाँ पे. There's a better word for hunter, but I don't remember. Anyway, so people come and they announce, it's like, we need to move faster. Instead of that, can you say, what's slowing us down and what decision can we make today to remove that obstacle? Specificity. See, speed comes from removing friction. It doesn't come from demanding any kind of urgency. What's making us slower? No, right? We need to move faster? No. Ask for the problem. Ask what can remove that obstacle, right? Then the next one is, let's align. मेरे ऑफिस में overused है. Are we aligned? Let's align. Listen, don't bore anybody. Now the new ones, they're not going to tolerate this anyway. So say this, before we move forward, I'd like to make sure we are all solving the same problem. Funny and cute and nice. Can we try to be all of this? Please. Anyway, moving on. We say, another one is one of my favorites. I think I'm also old. So I say, that's a great idea all the time. I'm always telling you, that's a great idea. Everybody says it and I love it. When somebody's kind of proud, when somebody's kind of happy, they say it. But can we say, here's what I like about your idea and here's the risk we should examine before we commit. Because the moment you tell somebody, I love this idea, that's a great idea, people feel like, okay, this is a thumbs up, I'm going to launch this. But every idea needs good analysis, good assessment. Okay, because when you say that this is the good bit about the idea and this is the bit which seems a little risky, you are kind of coaching. You're not just complimenting. You are then acting like the leader that you're supposed to be, right? Now, moving on, I hate the managers and the leaders that directly tell, I disagree. Or ऐसे directly बोलते, I don't like this. I don't like the idea. ऐसा, don't speak like this, you know. I see the situation a little differently because looking at a different constraint, looking at a different logic, looking at a different viewpoint, anything. This is called showing disagreement without ego. And that's executive level maturity. Okay. Now, the next one, which again is, let's be realistic. No, I want to be delusional. Whenever anybody has told me to be realistic, believe me, मेरा target 10 crore का था, ये लोग 1 crore पे बैठे हैं. I mean, ये लोग पुराने लोगों की बात हो रही है. Because when you tell somebody to be, let's be realistic, it's too dismissive. You don't need to be dismissive. I've always told people, you want to have super good communication skills, you need to let them feel like that. You want big decisions out of them. You want big ideas out of them. Why can't you just let them feel that, yes, it's within you, that big idea, that big suggestion, that big opinion, it's within you. आप उनको feel ही छोटा कराते हो. तो वो छोटे लोग हैं, अपने दिमाग के छोटे ideas देते हैं. Right? So, instead of saying all of that, you can say, let's distinguish between what's desirable and what's feasible in the next 10 days, 90 days, whatever. मतलब मन तो बंदे का बहुत कुछ कर सकता है, राइट? और उसको करना भी चाहिए, लेकिन डूएबल क्या है, फीजिबल क्या है एट दिस पॉइंट, ये बता दो. सेम मैसेज है, बट देयर इज अ हायर सेंस ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट, राइट? एंड द लास्ट वन दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू इज, वी डोंट हैव द बजट. Stingy. Instead of this, given our current priorities, what would justify reallocating resources to this particular initiative? You're asking. Look, budget discussions, they become more like, they should become a value discussion. Don't sound like, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. Be like, okay, पैसे हैं, but वो अलग अलग जगहों पर लगे हुए हैं. ये important है, ये आप मुझे समझा दीजिए, तो मैं वो पैसे इधर भी redirect कर सकती हूँ. Right? Value discussion है, ये ज़्यादा important है, तो उधर के पैसे इधर लग सकते हैं. ठीक है? Now, before I end the session, to all those big ones, the top management, the leaders, I have a question. आप लोग अक्सर पूछते हैं ना मीटिंग्स में, हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस? It could be a project, it could be a mistake, it could be something nice. When you say this, do you think this is the right way to speak? If you think, I would just like to see a yes in the comment. But if you think, no, this is not how I speak, this is not anybody should speak, then please let me know what would be a better replacement for this. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, I think this is my first video for all those top management people out there. If you want to work on your communication skills and if you really want to let yourself feel the responsibility, not just perform the responsibility, then do comment and do let me know. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys with the next video very soon.
हर इंसान जब आपसे मांगता है करियर के शुरुआत में ही एक्सपीरियंस तो आप भी रह जाते हैं लॉस्ट। लेकिन हम लेकर के आए हैं कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक के साथ आपके लिए एक बहुत ही शानदार अपॉर्चुनिटी जो कि एक फ्रेशर को हायर कर रहा है। अगर आप भी हैं एक ऐसे इंडिविजुअल जिनकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी हैं और वो कॉन्फिडेंट है और साथ ही वो अपने करियर को स्टार्ट करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा डेडिकेटेड है, तो दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी इज़ फॉर यू। इस अपॉर्चुनिटी का नाम है कोटक महिंद्रा स्काई बैंकर्स प्रोग्राम इन collaboration with Career 24/7. This is a great launch pad for all the freshers out there. आप कहीं से भी हैं, आप इस प्रोग्राम के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। एलिजिबिलिटी सिर्फ इतनी है कि ग्रेजुएशन पूरा होना चाहिए और ग्रेजुएशन में मिनिमम 60% मार्क्स होने चाहिए, साथ ही साथ आपकी एज 25 ईयर्स से कम होनी चाहिए। इस प्रोग्राम को स्पेशली डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन यंगस्टर्स के लिए जो कि अपने करियर को बैंकिंग में बूस्ट करना चाहते हैं। यहाँ पर आपको मिलेगी स्ट्रक्चर्ड 45 डेज ट्रेनिंग और उसके बाद गारंटीड जॉब। ये जॉब आपको करने के लिए मुंबई में जाना पड़ेगा, वहीं रहना पड़ेगा। तो मैं पहले ही क्लियर कर देना चाहती हूँ, अगर आप रेडी हैं टू लीव द कंफर्ट्स ऑफ योर होम टाउन एंड मूव टू अ बिग सिटी लाइक मुंबई, देन दिस इज योर अपॉर्चुनिटी। स्टार्टिंग सैलरी है 3.5 lakhs per annum प्लस परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ड इंसेंटिव्स। और आपको बताते चलें कि इस प्रोग्राम की भी एक फीस है 50,000 रुपीज़ प्लस GST। लेकिन जैसे ही आप इस जॉब में 1 साल कंप्लीट करेंगे आपको आपके 50,000 रुपीज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ बोनस लौटा दिए जाएंगे। सो मेक श्योर कि आप इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को ज़रूर चेकआउट करें अगर आप फाइनेंस, बैंकिंग और कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप्स रोल में करियर को बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं। अप्लाई करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमारा रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक है, उस पर क्लिक करें, फॉर्म को पूरा फिल करें। आगे का पूरा प्रोसेस हमारी टीम आपको ज़रूर समझाएगी।